You got it on?
Yeah.
I should have known.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah. What's up, y'all?
Let's go.
How you doing? Hey, it's Yaya time. Yaya time. What you say? Yaya time. Yaya time. Okay, Yaya time.
Hey, my people. Welcome to the show. Happy Tuesday, Taco
you
Tuesday,
doing?
or we're having a Mexican food day, I guess.
You can say that from Queens.
Yep, we're having
And
Mexican
it'll
food.
be a little bit of clips in there.
Oh, you got some clips?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So we're going to do what we do in each and every video, you guys. We're going to get a prayer in, show you what we're eating on, do a little...
It smells good.
Do a little... I know. And we're hungry. I have not eaten.
Because she can't eat after a certain time tonight. She's going in to get the tonsils taken out tomorrow morning, y'all.
So we're going to get our prayer in, and then we'll do a little chit-chat with you guys, okay?
Bye, years now, y'all.
Hey everybody. Okay, we get ready to get on up into this. Oh, there's some chips in this bag over here on the side.
I have 3 soft.
I'm just gonna pour these right here. Yeah. Okay. Get that out of there.
That's what I got right there. Bow. Soft shell supreme tacos. Beef. That is.
This don't look like the last time, but that's okay. I just need a little something to eat. And yeah. Anyway, I have a burrito. What was it? A supreme burrito. Look like in some beans.
California burrito. That's what she got.
And some beans and rice.
And so we're gonna do a little short thumb.
Oh.
Oh. Yeah. She gonna get me, y'all. She gonna get me. I done just poured myself some hot lava.
I hope everybody's having a good day today.
I hope you are too. I hope you are too.
Been chilling. The weather's been nice. And you want that over there? You can have that over there because I got this. We'll put it right here in the middle. How about that? We just been chilling today, and I've been watching videos. And Tim been doing his thing, relaxing. And as he said earlier, yeah, tomorrow is surgery day. So
work day.
And then he got to work tomorrow night, so hopefully everything will... I was hungry. It's an in, out.
Surgery, so...
She got a knife, baby.
Yeah. Hopefully, you need a knife? I'm gonna go get a knife for y'all, excuse me.
You know, for your tonsils.
The queen is asking for a knife.
Yeah, I'm hungry. So yeah, but I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Hope your weather is good. I know in some other videos that I've been watching, people say they be having good weather, so that's nice. Summer is fast approaching.
Sure enough is coming back with the queen's knife.
Thank you.
Don't cut me now, queen. She like, I show.
You tripping.
No, I know the queen love me. But hey, y'all, don't forget to give a thumbs up.
Yeah, thumbs up the video.
A like.
Like the video.
Share.
And share out the video.
Subscribe.
And most definitely subscribe, y'all.
And you know you gotta hit the notification bell so you can get notified each and every time Yaya goes live or do the next mukbang video for you with the morning talk show for you. Inspirational.
You guys, I have no idea really, to be honest with you, what our schedule is going to look like the next week or so, but if you don't see us out there, go run our playlist. I kind of got it broken down from 2021, 2022. Hey, you're dripping.
Dripping juice. Breaking it. I can't do it.
Yeah. Make a mess. But yeah. So just go watch our playlist if you will. We appreciate that. And I'm hoping it's not going to be too rough on me. Yeah. Tim will put out some videos as soon as I can get moving around.
So, get ready, y'all.
Or some shorts.
Get ready.
You know.
Get ready.
Get ready for
Y'all know what we
Oh,
about
for
to do.
you?
Mm-hmm. Get ready. You know what's about to happen.
As Lisa on Carter's, you say, get ready, get ready, get ready.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah. I did already put a video out today. It was that grocery haul that we had done last week.
Yep.
So this video will come out on Wednesday, but we're recording today on Tuesday. I always like this place.
Mm-hmm. But I'm not gonna forget y'all. Don't forget about the people in Ukraine. Keep them in your prayers.
Absolutely.
Kids and adults, elderly, all of them.
Mm-hmm.
What's wrong?
So, thank you. But hopefully you guys are having a wonderful, wonderful day. An amazing day.
Mm-hmm.
Even if you had to go to work today.
You had good weather. Hope the sun was out for you. I really do truly mean that. I hope the sun was out for you. And if it wasn't, just bundle up, stay warm, it'll be out for you.
What did we do yesterday? What did we do yesterday?
We did the video yesterday of the ATL in New York.
Yeah, that's right. So,
With Lady Red and the Thinker.
yeah, if you guys haven't had a chance to watch that video, go watch it. We enjoyed doing that video. That was a fun video. Yeah.
Doing it. I had a lot of fun doing it.
Yeah.
Sure enough.
Sorry.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Girl, you got that looking good right there. Can I get a nip?
Of what?
What you got?
The
Can
food?
Yeah. Can I get a nip? Right there. That's right there. Yeah. Can I get a nip of that right? Oh, yes. Right there. That's straight up meat there. I'm throwing that on that taco, y'all. I'm putting that on that taco right there.
So yeah, we don't have much going on. I gotta
Get ready for the surgery tomorrow.
get myself together, and I've just been kind of chilling today.
I'll let y'all know.
Tim will let you know.
I'll keep you informed and let you know how y'all doing. Everything gonna be alright. But prayers always do help.
Oh, of course. Absolutely. It's so funny, man. Seems like, you gotta stay prayed up because things be happening. My stepmom is in the hospital. That happened, a couple days ago?
Yeah, about 3-4 days ago.
My brother and my nephew was going on a road trip. Thank goodness they stopped in to see my mom in Kansas. My nephew got sick, had to go to the hospital. And then I gotta go in and get my tonsils out tomorrow. So man, just a lot of stuff been going on.
Snowballing. It's just snowballing. But
I thought they were supposed to have sour cream on there. They didn't have sour cream.
no.
They didn't have nothing that whatever you said that they was gonna put. They said they were gonna put on there.
Yeah, they didn't. So doing a review on this here too. Tacos is good. It's alright. The review for the tacos.
I'll go in there next time.
I give them about a 5.5. I don't know what y'all gonna do over there, but I give them a 5.5 on these tacos.
So yeah. So good. Let me get the quote in.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Quote for the day says, or positive thought. I am too old to worry about who likes me and who dislikes me. I have more important things to do. If you love me, I love you back. If you support me, I support you. If you hate me, I don't care. Life goes on with or without you.
Quote right there, that hits home for me. That's real. Real talk.
But as you mature and you grow,
You learn the goods and the bad.
and you have to learn how to set your boundaries with people in general.
True that.
So that's what it's all about.
And thank you for saying that, Yaya.
Y'all getting full now. That was good. I was hungry.
Yeah.
Go ahead. So,
Y'all,
whew,
you see I ate them tacos up.
You sure
Gee,
did.
I was, hey,
you scarfed them down.
Goody
Thank you
good.
guys for stopping in,
checking on.
checking in and checking on us. We most certainly appreciate it. We didn't have much going on today, or we didn't have much to talk about today, but we wanted to come and have a visit with you.
Mm-hmm.
So don't
Sure
forget, as we say in each and every video, time is our most precious commodity. So make sure you value your time. Spend your time wisely. Spend it with your family, your friends, those that are closest to you. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit the thumbs up. Make sure you hit the like button. And it would be nice if you could share out the video. We would love that and appreciate it as well. And most of all, don't forget to subscribe.
And hit that notification bell.
That way you'll be notified each and every time Yaya, that's me y'all, uploads a new video for you. So, we'll be back. But like I said, I'm not sure what our schedule's going to be looking like. But,
I will let you know how everything goes.
yep. Hey, Tim will let you guys know how everything goes.
You know what time it is? It's Yaya's time. Yaya time. What you say? Yaya time. Yaya time. Okay, Yaya time.
Thank you guys. We appreciate you stopping by.
Yaya time.
Bye, y'all.
Bye, bye. That was good.